You only live once.
You only live once.
You live only once?
It's what every teenager says as an excuse to, like walk around, do something really impulsive because, you only live once. Because it's a bit too 2012. I don't know why they're rolling this out now.
I mean, good attempt at trying to be young.
I don't know, I believe in more saving up and everything, and for the rainy weather, yeah. So I don't agree with this credit card thing.
I don't see, as long as we use credit card properly there will not be an issue.
It's just going to be in the back of someone's mind going like, yeah, it's a YOLO card, might as well use the card. And what's more, it gives you priority into clubs, which equals more money spending on drinks.
So it's kind of counter-innovative to actually make a card that encourages spending. Because that kind of thinking is very dangerous, yeah.
I guess if it goes to the 50s, 60s or so, if it comes to the wrong hands, then... But I think it's something new for the youngsters.
I think when you're in your 20s is when you actually really enjoy your life. Because you're growing up and it's in the transition after your teen years, growing up to becoming a proper adult. So I think I think it's okay to have this kind of YOLO UAB card stuff because you only live once.